Okay, put it in. You gonna get some milk?
Milk? Okay. I got milk. Now put milk in.
Mm-hmm.
Well. Is that enough?
Okay, just a little bit more because Mummy wants some too.
That much?
Yep. How about another banana so it's really big?
Can't get a really big one. All I can see it. This one. It is big. This is it. Ah!
Okay, put the lid on.
Where's the lid? Oh, there. Can you hold it?
Yeah. And I'll just turn it on at the wall. Hang on. Ready?
This way or that way?
Whichever way you want.
This way?
Yep. Stop! Get some cups.
Cups? Where's cups? And lid. Mom,
Oh, no, it'll have to be a big cup.
oh. Never mind. No, it's be
One for Mummy? One for Mummy?
and a straw.
Oh, I don't know. Just one of those ones.
These ones?
Yeah.
You want a straw?
No. No.
I won't drink it out of this. Oh, this over here. Your one's the huge. My one's the little.
Okay, where's your cup?
Here.
Okay, hold it for me.
Do it. Not working there.
Have a taste. Want some more?
Tastes yum. Mum.
Mm-hmm.
No more.
Want a cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Let me have a taste.
Yum.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Are you a super smoothie maker?
Yes. And you. You
And
want to. Mum.
Okay.
This is mixed up like pink.
Yes. The pomegranate makes it
Yeah.
turn big. Okay, Mummy.
It's a pink smoothie.
Yeah.